So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You now want to find Windows Update. So we're going to scroll down until we find Windows Update. Here it is. Double click on it. And you now want to click on stop, which is now going to stop the service. Now you're going to change the startup type to disabled. So make sure you have Windows Update on disabled and stopped, and then click on OK. And now after you stop the Windows Update service, we're now going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Windows. You now want to find a folder called Software Distribution. So we're going to scroll down till we find Software Distribution. Here it is. Double click on it. And you now want to delete everything in this folder. So you just want to highlight over this and then click on delete. Now this will come up. You want to tick this, do this for current items. You want to tick this and then click on continue. If you get this where it says this action cannot be completed, that's fine. You want to click on use for current items and then click on skip. And now most things in this folder, if not all of them, are now going to be deleted. And then once you've done that, you want to come back into services. You want to find Windows Update, double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic, click on OK. Double click on it again and then click on start, which will now make the service running. So make sure you have Windows Update on automatic and running and then click on OK. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And then once you're on this, you want to click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Now you want to click on yes and then go through all the steps to now run the update troubleshooter. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.